All right, Louis Porcelino, man over market, and this is December 18th, the wrap up, and I'm laughing because I know as long as I'm sitting here, that's exactly what this was going to happen, and I said it 2 days ago that I thought the bottom was put in, and then this morning I told you about the cash, this divergence right here. I'm telling you, I, I'm not, I'm laughing because I had an interview with Anthony Credilli today, and I told him that I thought that we were going to go for the highs by the end of the year, and that it's nothing for them to put 3,000 points on. Here they put 5,000 points on today, and so you mash that with the last couple of days, and we almost took back where we're at. So this is the SPX cash. I talked about if we go through here, which we did last night. And now we had this move today, and I was talking about if we can get above this high. So that low, that high was 25.58.86. Let's see what the high was today. There we go, 20.61.23, 20.79. It's only, it's only 1,900 points away. All right. Obviously, there was, I mean, all these things got hit right here. This is actually where I had one sell left, and I had it up here at two even, and I got missed. But I wrote up a good portion of what I was long right to the end of the closing bell. So I had a nice day. Um, Obviously, we're going to have to retrace and do some retracements here. And It was, just a consolidation day. Here's in mode now. So now I talk about this mode is up at 2033, which the next lowest mode was way down here. This was a suspect mode, and I think that because of rollover, that some volume wasn't printed right. Because when you look at the Thinkorswim right here, um, right here, now we got this gap to deal with. Look at this gap from 2026 all the way down to 2011, and then this is the high that we put on. So it was. So here's what it'll look like to take out the highs right here. All right. So and I'm telling you, a lot of this had to do with the fact that it's expiration coming up tomorrow on the 19th. The volatility will dry up, and I think we'll go back to a little bit of trading ranges versus what we've been experiencing the last week. So you got to be careful when that expiration comes, and not be expecting these big moves because you won't. We'll get back to trading our average volume. Now, I want you to take a look at this. This came down. Remember, this is the divergence we were talking about, right? Right. We had a peak low here, then another low, and it didn't take out that bottom. Here is our on the cash. We got to get above 2108 for it to go back to a bull. So, this thing could rally up to here, you know, you know, maybe go to 20, 20 even. 2000, what is that? What would that be? 21. Yeah, 21 even. So anyway, we'd have to get to there, and then that would take out this pivot. But my scenario is we're going to rally to the end of the year, to 31st, and then go home short because then we'll cover some of this stuff. Um, so that's what I'm saying. The other thing that's going to be interesting, and I've been waiting for it, was the disconnect. When I talk about the disconnect, let's talk about gold. Oil, right? They've been actually kind of trading next to each other. They sell it off, they rally, they rally. Well, here's the disconnect that happened today, right? So, this morning, I I basically we caught this move this morning. We told you 58.76 was the bull bear zone. Got under there. So you got gold, or I mean oil. I'm sorry, closing down near its lows, and the S&Ps closing up to on its on highs. That disconnect is what we need because I'm telling you, low oil prices is not bad for the economy. All these other people, they didn't. I didn't go to Harvard. I'm sorry. It's not bad. All right. We don't have deflation. We're going to be fine. That's not what's going to happen. We got and then we had the Fed come out yesterday, and she said, talked about interest rates. Interest rates are where they're at because she can't do anything else. Otherwise, she'll spook the whole world. So, and we got the rest of the world printing money. So, listen, I did an interview today. Anthony and I talked about these things, and so hopefully, let me bring in the S&P chart. So, I got my Santa Claus music in the background, and so here it is. When we took out these single prints, 49.5 to 54. That's why I put them there. Look at this. I called this an ugly high. We took that out. And then we had another high I wanted to take out was at 62. We went right to where I was talking about this morning. So, look, I've been doing this a long time, and I know these knuckleheads. All right? I know the way they trade. And they got everybody thinking the chicken little, the sky was falling. And, they took it up. One more day expiration, then I think we'll get back to our regular trading ranges. And so I think this was, if you look here this morning, I had said I think we were poised to take out the lows. We took out the lows, and it stopped right at the 5 minute pivot. Stopped right at the 5 minute pivot. I posted that we had to take those out to keep going, and we didn't. And we came up here and we consolidated all day, and then at the end of the day, gone. Here's another one. We came close to touching the 5 minute pivot and going up. We'll probably get some pullback overnight. All right, Louis Porcelino, man over market. Hey, do me a favor. We got to get more people watching these videos. If everybody shares it with a friend, I'd appreciate it tonight. I'll talk to you later. All right, have a good night. Good trading. See you in the morning.